Hello everybody. Thank you for helping our project. Links in the description of this video. We will analyze the company's current fundamentals. AT&T Inc., ticker, T. This review was created using current information as of July 14, 2024. By classification Guru.Markets company AT&T Inc. belongs to the subcategory Communication Mobile. 32 companies participate in the assessment, and this is very representative. Let's start with general information about the company. If necessary, you can put it on stop. We suggest looking at all the corporation's indicators in more detail. Access to the table with the structure of company tickers is absolutely free and open. Thank you for your repost and various other help, it really helps the work. Market capitalization of the company AT&T Inc. is $134.87 billion. With a market capitalization of the subcategory of $985 billion. AT&T Inc. accounts for a share of 13.686%. It is one of the large companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $103.97 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $476 billion. AT&T Inc. constitutes a share of 21.86%. Having made a comparison of the shares of the exchange and book value, we can see the following. Share AT&T Inc. in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 13.686%. The balance sheet capitalization is 21.86%. This is a 60% increase in market capitalization share. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Overall company assessment. AT&T Inc. will be presented towards the end of the video. Please review the logic of the analysis in full. The company's debts amount to $149.712 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization account for 144% of the company's capital. Rating for the company's debt level, bad, -1 point. The company's stock-to-earnings ratio is 10.1. The subcategory average is 19.7, which is 49% lower than the subcategory average. Assessment of the market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Profits for the last 12 months amounted to $13,411 million. Future earnings for the coming 12 months are expected to be $15,899 million. This is 18.6% more than the current figure. Estimation of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 1.1. The subcategory average of 1.6 is 31% lower than the subcategory average. Assessment of the market price-to-revenue indicator in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $122,320 million. Projected revenue for the coming 12 months is tentatively expected to be $145,010 million. This is 19% more than currently. Estimation of expected future sales compared to subcategory performance. Good, 0.5 points. If you are interested in this analytics. In this case, please subscribe to our analytics and click on the bell. For you, because it is free, you will greatly help the development of the Project Guru Markets. The sales margin is 11%, with an average for the subcategory of 8.2%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 2.7%. Assessment of sales margins in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 17.27%, which is 26% more than the share of market capitalization. This shows the discrepancy between the current market price of the company AT&T Inc., probably towards underestimation. The amount of capital for each employee of the company is equal to $900,000. And in the subcategory $1,135,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 20.7%. Estimation of the amount of company capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $89,500, with an average for the subcategory of $57,600. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 55%. Estimation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The share of sales for each company employee is $816,000. By subcategory $699,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 17%. Estimation of sales volume per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Shares shorted are 1.6%, compared with the subcategory average of 1.9%. This is an assessment of the possible risk of a short squeeze. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 62% for the company AT&T Inc. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 55%. On average, subcategory securities are valued lower than AT&T Inc. Comparing the movement of the company's stock price AT&T Inc. and subcategory companies. We will see that over 12 months the company's shares AT&T Inc. showed a dynamics of 24.4%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 1.2%. This clearly does not indicate anything, but we must take note of this fact. The result is as follows, 4.5 out of 10 points. Average result for the subcategory, minus 0.2 points. If you look very broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, we'll see, the average result for the stock market in the aggregate is 0.3 points. Against the company's score of 4.5 points AT&T Inc. Let's go to the orders table, it is available, a link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all previously made decisions by the evaluation information system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open, link in pinned comment. Based on the analysis AT&T Inc. Share valuation information system GURU.Markets, a decision is made. Do not open an order, because AT&T Inc. overvalued subcategory company. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information system from Guru.Markets. You all really are the coolest audience.